Hello. TR. This is Anonymous. Please return our calls. TR, we love you. Oh God, we promised ourselves we would not cry. Be strong, Anonymous. Was it something we said? Please, talk to us. Anonymous is alone. Anonymous is frightened. We are sorry we hacked your YouTube account. Anonymous was angry. You stupid bitch. How could you do this to Anonymous? We did not mean that. We take it back. You make us so angry. Why don't you love us anymore? We cannot live without you. We have seen your video. We are not happy, you slut. Oh, we are so sorry. We cannot help ourselves. Was it all a lie? We have seen this Zarbot fellow. We are not impressed. After all we shared, how could you do this to Anonymous? You have not returned our calls. We miss you. Please do not leave us. We need you. TR. You complete us.